I consider myself a byproduct of the digital era and its continual manifestations in our global society. Countless ways of perceiving and expressing data create multiple layers of interaction that are simultaneously happening between each human. It made me curious, and at the same time, it drives me to grasp the essence of this process and present it in my very own way. I began this project by tracing my memories and thought process back to the time and space before the idea had formed into a solid concept. This was my way to gain a better understanding, a broader point of view from my own cognitive and perceptual systems. It shows me how I perceive and communicate with the world around me. Drawing by hand is the way I usually initiate the visual part of my projects. It's the base and most immediate medium to express and capture my flowing thoughts for reference throughout the production process. Along with the drawing, I also include some details of a brief interactive mechanism which later will be executed in the interactive programming process. For this project, I created 3 final drawings which I further developed in computer software. Based on the final drawings, I developed 3 visual sets composed of pre-rendered animations in combination with real-time interactive visualizations. The interactivity is meant to convey a sense of nature's truth, where one thing is affected to and by one another, revealed and concealed at the same time as a whole ongoing phenomenon. For the sound part that accompanies the moving image sets, I created a self-driven algorithm using the software Maxim and MSP. And during the production process, I performed a live audio-visual set for the first time with the sound artist group called RE. Recognizing our similar creative philosophy, I asked them to collaborate on the sound for this project. Combining the sounds they performed to harmonize with the concept of each scene for the installation with my own self-driven algorithm sound piece. The sounds alter and shape the atmosphere of the installation space to bring the audience to another realms of reality. Altogether, I bring the combined visuals and sound into our physical world by projecting the visuals on 2 walls that face each other, and by transmitting the composed sounds through 4 speakers at each corner of the space. The installation is meant to share different perspectives, how individual minds perceive and react to the interwoven relationship of constructed environments and pre-existing nature. Come and see it by yourself, the visions of nature I would like to share, collective of time being.